Alright class, before we get started, remember we're matching ordinal numbers and their names, and we're reading them as well. Before we get started, I have my numerals right here written out. I have my ordinal names written out. I have my number line drawn out, and we're going to be working on some I do. Before I can do the work, I need you in your journal to copy exactly what I have here. Pause the video right now, record this in your journal. When you're ready, come back to me. Alright, now that you have it all, let's get started. And as always, our number line is the way we can check our work. If for whatever reason you get caught up and confused, start at 0 and start 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The same thing with those ordinal names, 0, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. You got this. So if I'm going to go ahead and match my ordinal names to my numeral numbers, well, first what I need to do is pick out a number or pick out a numeral. So if I'm going to go ahead and pick out the number 1, well then I need to match the word first to it. Same thing for second, and so on. If I look at the numbers right here, I have the ordinal names written next to them, and I just match them up. What I'm going to do really quickly is mix some of them up, go through the process, and then show you how to do it so you can do it on your own. If my task is to find the matching ordinal number for 6, well then I would count first, second, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth. Or I can do it over here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth. There's the name. So all I need to do is go to my ordinal names, match them up, and read it. That's it. Now let's go ahead and do some activities on our own. Just like with the game later on we're going to play, I want you to practice. Take a second, pause the video, and then write the ordinal name, or at least say it to somebody, of the numeral 4. Pause the video. When you're ready, come back to me. This is our we do part. Awesome. So the number 4. First, second, third, fourth. I can check with my words. First, second, third, fourth. Perfect. Let's do one more. Here's the number 8. Go ahead and find the matching ordinal name for it. Pause and then come back. Awesome. So let's go ahead and match it. Again, our number line. First, do it with me. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Or over here with my words. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Now I'm going to go ahead and find that ordinal word for it. Perfect. Just like that. How'd you do? Pause the video, talk about it. When you're done, let's go ahead and go back to our learning for the day. See you in a second.